Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open a single project folder that contains both Python files and your virtual environment. Use one workspace for both files to keep imports predictable. Select the correct Python 3 interpreter in Vscode using the status bar or command palette. Create an init py file if you intend to treat folders as packages. Keep relative paths simple and avoid deep nested folders when you are learning. Confirm the interpreter shows in the bottom right corner before running any code. Place both py files in the same folder or in package folders within it. Py files use relative imports like from module import func when inside a package. Alternatively, modify sys path at runtime to include the project root and then import modules by name. Avoid naming files the same as standard libraries to prevent accidental shadowing. Keep import statements at the top of files for readability and predictable behavior. Test imports in the interactive terminal first before open the integrated terminal or use run and start debugging to execute your entry file. Create a launch JSON when you need repeatable debug settings for a specific file or module. Use the M flag to run a module by name if your package layout requires it. Set breakpoints in both files to observe interactions and variable state across imports. Use watches and the debug console to step through function calls and confirm expected behavior. Run tests or small examples to validate that imports and runtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.